Hey workout superheroes, I'm Princess Atkins, and welcome to Geek Out Your Workouts, Ghost Spider or Spider Gwen cardio full body workout. All right, you guys, I have 12 exercises to make us more like Spider-Man, Spider-Woman, and Gwen Stacy's Ghost Spider. So we are gonna work hard for 45 seconds, we're gonna rest for 15 seconds, and you're just gonna do the movements along with me or go at your own pace, all right? The things you need for this workout are a nice workout mat like the one here behind me, some good workout shoes, and a bottle of water. So I'm gonna get our timing started. Maybe you wanna throw on a cute Spider-Man or Spider-Gwen workout outfit. Here we go. Our first exercise is going to be a shuffle with a lunge. So shuffle to one side and lunge, shuffle to the other side and lunge. This is getting our body warmed up. You probably heard, but Tony Stark has been flying by all day, and we can hear him. So please excuse his new jet. If this is too hard for you, I want you to take a step in the middle and just lunge out to the side. This is start warming up those big muscles in your lower body. Start stretching them out as well. It's also gonna get your heart rate up. Quick feet in the middle. All right, next, we're gonna do my version of a spider jack. So instead of jumping jacks with our arms going up and down, we're gonna do jumping jacks with our arms going out and in, alternating what hand goes on top. Here we go. You might wanna also alternate your feet forward and back. But if that's too much, just bringing your feet out and in is fine. If jumping jacks are too much for you, then you're just gonna go out and in and out and in. Keep going, you guys. I hear Tony Stark coming around again. He's keeping an eye on us. Don't forget to breathe. Great job. All right, next, we'll start working out our core. So you're gonna stand at the edge of your mat and put your hands on the ground. Walk your hands out to a plank. If you can do a push-up there, great. And if not, just walk your hands back to your feet. We're gonna do that for 45 seconds. So if you can push up and come back. If a push-up is a little too much, you can put your knees down. Do a modified push-up. Go back up on those toes and walk your hands all the way back. Make sure you're engaging your tummy and your core muscles throughout this movement. If you want to try a different type of push-up, when you come down, spread your arms wide and do a wide press, or keep your elbows in close to your body and do a tricep push-up. Next, we're going to do jump squats, alternating what hand touches the ground. My hood is getting all tangled up in my hair. Here we go. So squat down, touch the ground, jump together, and out. Now when you're doing your squat, I do not want your knee past your toe. I want it as close to over your ankle as you can. Great job, you guys. If jumping is too much for you and you can't take the high impact, step out, touch the ground, step out, touch the ground. Doing that same squat motion, all right? But those of you that can jump, I want you to try it. Almost there, keep going. Great. Next, we're moving into side planks. So we're gonna go down on the ground. We're gonna start in a plank position. Then we're gonna alternate a right side plank and a left side plank. Here we go. So up into plank, go to one side, shoot that leg into the air, really engaging those core muscles. Put your hand down, Now do it to the other side. This is too much. You can put the knee down that's closest to the ground. Give yourself some added support. All right, you guys, next we're gonna go into a squat and we're gonna shoot the web to either side. We're gonna grab the web and pull it, grab the web and pull it. Like we're shooting a bad guy on either side, grabbing the web and pulling him towards us. Now don't hyperextend your elbows when you shoot your webs, and then pull your elbow back in a strong position. Now remember, keep those tummies in. You want those core to still get a good workout here. Woo. Keep your knees bent as we go from our squat to our lunge, back through our squat. All right, next going down to the ground for mountain climbers. But this is a modified mountain climber. Instead of going straight back and forth, we're gonna take the right knee to the left elbow and then the left knee to the right elbow. If that is too much for you, then I want you to do regular mountain climbers like this. But I want everyone to try bringing their knee to the opposite elbow. Now remember, sorry, my hood is in the way. Don't let your butt get too low, because then your knee is gonna hit the ground. So if anything, keep your butt a little higher in the air. And if you need to take a moment to rest, you can, but I want you to get right back into it. Come on, you guys, let's go. All right, next we're gonna do a tricep dip. And if you wanna make it harder, I have a way for you to do that as well. So sit on the ground, palms on the ground, fingers facing your body. We're gonna lift up into a tabletop. And you are going to release your elbows or bend your elbows. I do not want you thrusted. I want you to focus the energy here in your triceps. If you'd like to make it harder, as you come down, bring your knee to your shoulder. If this is way too difficult for you, keep your booty on the ground and just concentrate on working those triceps like this. Come on, you guys, you can do it. Next up, we're gonna do a squat, jump up into the air. We're really thinking about jumping up and then landing with bent knees. So again, we're gonna start in that squat position. Squat down, touch your toes, and jump up and land with bent knees. Again, I want you to keep your knees right over your ankles, so your booty should be going back, like you're sitting into a chair. If jumping is too hard for you, I just want you to squat, touch your ankles, come up and squeeze those glutes. Maybe you can try a little jump. Whatever your workout level, I want you to be working out there. Come on, you guys, 10 more seconds. Don't give up. Spider-Man and Spider-Gwen, never give up. All right, next we're gonna do my version of the spider sit-ups. So down on the ground, you're gonna put your knees up and the bottoms of your feet together. When we sit up, we're gonna be reaching towards our toes, and when we relax down, our legs go out, and our upper body barely touches the floor. Crunch, breathe out. Just like you're going up position on the ground. And do your best to either do crunches or sit-ups in this position. And if that's too hard, keep the bottoms of your feet on the ground and think about reaching your chest straight up into the sky as if you are about to hang on to the ceiling. Great. Next, we're gonna do a plank and bring our feet up one at a time. So, let's start either on our hands or knees or in our plank position. Your left foot's gonna come up to your left hand, creating a very nice, deep runner's lunge. Put that foot back, and then do the right foot and put it back. You can go one of two ways with this exercise. You can go nice and fast, or you can do it a little slower, really feeling that runner stretch, depending on what you need today and in this workout. Now, if this is too hard for you, you can do it on your knees, or maybe you can do it from a plank position, just can't get your foot up that high. Just do your best. And what I suggest is try lifting your butt up in the air just a little bit more. All right, our last exercise is going to be a roll with a switch kick. So start on the edge of your mat. We're gonna roll down, stop on your shoulder blades. Stand up, kick, kick. Ready, let's go. I do not want you to roll onto your neck. Now, if that's too hard, you can't do the roll. Squat, kick, squat, kick. But we know Ghost Spider is very nimble, so we're gonna try and do the roll. Great job, you guys. You have finished my Spider Gwen or Ghost Spider workout. If you are new to working out, I want you to do this video about 2 times. The first time, getting the motion in your body, learning it. And the second time, seeing how many reps you can do in a round. Now, if you are an intermediate workout superhero or a Teen Titan, I want you to do this video 3 to 4 times. The first time, getting those movements in your body, and every time after that, just pushing yourself, seeing how many you can do. And if you are a workout superhero, a Spider-Man, a Ghost Spider, or a Spider-Woman, I want you to do this video 5 times through. You will probably be out of breath, which is fine because I'm out of breath as well. That's why we call it a cardio workout, but we also got a full muscle group workout today. Take a sip of water, listen to the end of the video, and go back and do it again. Have a great day, you guys. Happy Wednesday.
Great job today. If you had fun or got a good workout, go ahead and hit like below. And don't forget to subscribe. We will have more Geek Out Your Workout videos coming to you soon. You can find me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram as Geek Out Your Workout or Princess Natkins. Enjoy geeking out your next workout.